Hi guys, welcome to vlog 2. I hope you enjoyed vlog 1 and stay tuned for what I have ready for this week. Today's Tuesday and I've just finished coaching my little sister's training session, and overall I think it was a really good session. They did a lot of good passing accuracy, which was really good, and the game at the end was pretty fun, so I'd say it was a really good session.
Get my motor running.
Currently it's Wednesday evening. I'm a bit tired actually from training. It was a good session today. We're just literally praying that our match is on a Saturday, because we haven't had one in ages, so fingers crossed, hopefully. Thursday right now, and unfortunately our training on Thursday has been cancelled due to the floodings at Brooksby, and it's just really bad there. It's really flooded everywhere. It's like really squelchy when you go on there, so we thought it was best just to cancel it for tonight. Let's hope training's on Saturday for the other girls, and I hope my match is on Saturday as well. So I'm at Sophie's training at the moment, and update, my dad was able to come yesterday to take footage of me training, so there's some goalkeeping stuff there. And then I'm at Sophie's training at the moment on Saturday, and then in an hour I'm going to be doing mine, so stay tuned.
Get my motor running. Get my motor running.
time has come for the end of vlog 2, and it's been a really frustrating week today because like we've had our trainings cancelled, we had both our games cancelled, and the weather's just been really on top of us at the moment. So let's hope that next week it is really good weather, no rain hopefully, and if we get to play our matches, which fingers crossed.